Get rid of the old RSI and upgrade to the RSI Supreme indicator. While it might look similar, the RSI Supreme offers signals that are far more accurate. Just check out the impressive profits it generated on Bitcoin using the 5-minute chart. Every trade was a winner. This strategy combines volume price analysis with the superior buy and sell signals from the RSI Supreme, perfect for spotting overbought and oversold conditions. If you're a day trader working on short time frames like 5 or 15 minutes, this is for you. Let's dive into the details and learn how to capture trends like these in any market. The RSI Supreme Multi-Method is an advanced tool that enhances the traditional relative strength index by incorporating selectable manipulation methods. It not only identifies overbought and oversold conditions, but also detects divergences, offering deeper trading insights. Within the indicator settings, you'll find a range of customization options. The first section includes the RSI length, overbought and oversold thresholds, and RSI type. I recommend adjusting these levels to 60 and 40 for a more responsive reaction to price fluctuations. As for the RSI type, you have 4 choices. Standard RSI method uses the classic RSI calculation to spot overbought and oversold conditions. Volatility-weighted RSI method applies a volatility formula to the RSI, offering a more dynamic response during periods of heightened market activity. A smooth RSI method utilizes a smoothing algorithm to reduce noise, giving a clearer picture of market conditions. The smoothing length can be adjusted to fit your trading style. Session-weighted RSI method. This innovative option allows you to apply multipliers to different trading sessions, enabling dynamic adaptation of the RSI to varying market conditions. For this strategy, I recommend the session-weighted method. Additionally, the RSI Supreme indicator highlights divergences on the oscillator, adding an extra layer of analysis. Divergences occur when the RSI moves in a different direction from the price, potentially signaling a trend reversal. For example, if the price forms lower lows while the RSI forms higher lows, a bullish divergence is indicated, suggesting an upward reversal. Conversely, a bearish divergence is signaled when the price makes higher highs, but the RSI creates lower highs, pointing to a possible downward reversal. However, I wouldn't recommend relying solely on divergences. Another key feature of the RSI Supreme indicator is its analysis of overbought and oversold signals. The indicator marks fixed areas of supply and demand with green, red, and orange dots. Green dot signals entry into the oversold area. Red dot indicates that the line has breached the overbought zone. Blue dots show that the indicator remains within these zones, with the duration increasing the likelihood of a reversal. Orange dot appears when the RSI exits the overbought or oversold zones, confirming potential buy or sell trades. The second indicator in this strategy is arguably the most crucial. Why? Because it analyzes the market in a completely new way. Unlike conventional order block indicators, the volume profile order block tool extracts data from lower time frame bars and allocates it to various segments of the order block, offering a more comprehensive view of market activity. This indicator's key feature is the ability to fine-tune order block detection using a single input setting called tuning. This setting allows you to control the significance and frequency of order blocks. Higher values result in fewer but more significant order blocks. Lower values produce more frequent but less significant order blocks. This flexibility allows you to adjust the indicator's sensitivity to match your trading strategy and preferences. You can also customize the level of detail in your volume profile by selecting the number of segments within each order block. I recommend setting this to 7. Traders, if you find our educational content valuable, please support the channel by liking this video and subscribing. Income Nomad is your go-to resource for original trading ideas and strategies explained in the simplest terms possible. Before diving into the strategy, let's clarify what an order block is and why it's important. In trading, an order block refers to a price zone where large institutional orders were previously filled. These zones can act as key turning points because they represent areas of significant interest from major players. Think of it like an auction where high bids were placed on a rare item. Even after the auction, people remember the price levels where those bids were made, making them psychological markers for future interest. Similarly, in trading, an order block represents a zone where significant activity occurred and traders watch these levels closely for potential future reactions. Come aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Now let's explore a trading strategy using these indicators. For a long setup, the following conditions should be met. The price must revisit an order block with the lower wick of a candlestick touching the block without exceeding it. A reversal candlestick pattern, such as a pin bar or engulfing bar, must form during the retest. The RSI Supreme must enter the oversold zone with an orange dot signaling the exit. Enter a long position when the orange circle appears on the RSI and target twice the amount you risk. Apply a trailing stop loss once the price moves in your favor. Remember not to risk more than 2% of your account on a single trade. For a short setup, follow the opposite steps. Wait for the price to retest the order block. Ensure a reversal candlestick pattern forms during the retest. Confirm that the RSI Supreme has become overbought with a sell signal triggered when the orange dot appears. Apply the same risk management principles as with long trades. Here's how to set up these indicators first. Open any chart on TradingView and search for the RSI Supreme multi-method by this amazing scripter. Install it on the chart and adjust the settings as described. Next, search for the volume profile bar magnified order blocks indicator, open its inputs and set the value to 7. And that's it. Your setup is ready. If you're looking to automate this strategy into a bot with alerts, so it does the job for you, watching the recommended video on your screen is mandatory. Also, if you want to push your profit factor to the limit, I highly recommend you to watch human factor, FEEB levels, and risk management videos within our Trading University playlist. Mark my words, you will thank me for that. Thanks for watching, and until next time.